Education has evolved. Students don't just go to school to memorize facts. They go to become better individuals, solve real-life problems, and build their futures. At Science Utsav, we believe that curiosity fuels innovation. In collaboration with forward-thinking institutions like Aditi School, we are empowering students to become thinkers, creators, innovators, explorers, and leaders. For years, Science Utsav has been an integral part of Aditi School, introducing hands-on STEM learning to students from grade 4 to grade 9. Behind every young innovator is an inspiring mentor. Let's hear from the dedicated teachers of Aditi School.
Pretty much, they're always excited when they hear the Science Utsav word itself. So when are we going to have this activity? Earlier, I think it was just a conventional method of teaching using just board and the chalk. Now it is they are actually into the hands-on. If I ask them to, if I give them some of the components and ask them to make a open circuit, closed circuit, they're very confident in building the circuits and many other activities. So basically, they are very good at hands. He always thinks from the students mindset how it is going to help them. And in this competitive world, I think STEM plays a very important role when they go into the next level in their career. This STEM is going to help them a lot, and our manage.
I feel like the STEM is impacting them for computational thinking very first thing. And as I told you, it's going to impact them a lot as we are teaching them a programming in the early ages. It's going to give them a beautiful stage for them to face a technology driven world in the future.
When I was in the school, I was always, keen about science and trying to do something, I wanted to invent something. I wanted to do this. But there's, there's lack of knowledge about it because we had nothing, no internet, nothing, lack of materials. Even to find a small motor, a DC motor was not an easy thing. Teachers have to upgrade themselves. So this is the first plan that I am thinking about, so that, in the next step that I want the teachers to be a step ahead than the children, to create awareness and also prepare.
Started knowing about the STEM programming, right? Especially the engineering part and as well as the technology part. I could really correlate it, right? Because this STEM kits, whatever we are using from Science Utsav, that is giving a very practical knowledge to them. So I really can connect what they are learning here, and because without at least whatever I have seen, in early education, right, in the previously, it was only a theoretical knowledge what they had. So when they come to corporate world, or when they have to sit in front of a system, or when they really have to work on the field, right, I could see that they have theoretical, but when you ask them to come and assemble something, they are clueless. But that is really helping with the STEM programming, because our kids are here, they are sitting and they are assembling and they are doing all the things by themselves, right? They know practical implementation of it. That is really, I could see that the STEM is really going to help them. It's not only the theory, they know practical terms of it.
And they can learn it better, and in future they can explore, they can get so many ideas. So I feel that very excited. If I am excited, my children were very excited when we introduced this.
So, as a coordinator yourself, what will be the message that you're going to give to other coordinators of the school?
Dear all the coordinators, even management of other school, I would request everyone to implement this Science Utsav idea, their thoughts, their experiments for your kids, because it's going to take your school to the different glory of success.
At Aditi School, learning is adventure, full of curiosity, creativity, and discovery. Because science is not boring.
Science is